The female puma is in her mating season, calling out to find a mate and ensure the continuation of her lineage. The male puma hears her call from a distance, instantly recognizing its meaning. With a swift and determined run, he rushes toward her, eager to answer her call. They meet in the wild, sharing a brief yet intense and remarkable moment together. As the encounter progresses, she feels it is time to end it, letting out a loud, fearful roar that signals her decision. However, the male becomes angry at her response, his frustration building. He roars back loudly and continuously, his anger growing, and even tries to attack her in his fury. This raw, intense behavior is a part of the harsh reality of the wildlife that pumas know.